Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now.
Personnel coming out of the church.
We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Whoa! That's a hit.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Hot damn! Okay, he's moving again. You gonna get him? Guy running. Cleared to engage enemy personnel. Tracking. Nail those guys by the building.
Clean up that signal.
Get that guy. Yeah, take him out. Roger, guy moving. We got a runner here.
Copy, smoke him.
Get back on those guys. Light them up. Nail those guys.
Oh, that's gotta hurt. Cleared to engage all of those.
Nail those guys. Nail those guys by the building. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Light them up. We got a vehicle on the move. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. More enemy personnel. Yeah, take them out. Get that person. You got him. Get that guy.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Nail those guys by the building. Roger, guy moving.
Copy, smoke them.
Check your fire. You're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys. Okay, he's moving again. You gonna get him?
You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle.
More enemy personnel. Light them up. Enemies crossing the field. Get back on those guys. Cleared to engage enemy personnel. Kaboom. Get that guy. Yeah, take him out. Guy running.
Copy, smoke them. Set scan range. Cleared to engage all of those.
Nail those guys. Get that person. Okay, he's moving again. Personnel right there. Tracking.
Rolling in. Yeah, cleared to engage.
Right there. Tracking. Enemies crossing the field. We got a moving vehicle here. Negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies. Enemy personnel on the road.
Target reset. Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets. We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Clear to engage. Smoke them.
Alpha, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. The one with the square structure on the roof? It's the one with the flat roof.
You got him. Direct hit.
Rolling in. Hot damn!
Nail those guys. Okay, he's moving again. That's a hit. You got him. You gonna get him? There's a guy by that car. Tracking. All right, you got the guy. I might have been within 2 feet of him. Roger, guy moving.
Copy. Smoke him.
Clear to engage enemy personnel. Direct hit. Light him up. Right there. Tracking. Yep, that was right on target.
Target reset. Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. Clean up that signal.
More enemy personnel. There's a guy by that car.
Alpha, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town. Good kill, good kill. You got him. We got a runner here. Get back on those guys. Personnel right there. Whoa! Roger, guy moving. That's a hit. Light him up. Nail those guys. Get back on those guys. You gonna get him? Okay, he's moving again. Nail those guys by the building. Get that person. Yeah, take him out. There's a guy by that car. We got a runner here.
Yeah, clear to engage.
More enemy personnel.
Set scan range.
You got him. Get that guy. Direct hit. Guy running. Okay, he's moving again. Kaboom. Get that guy.
Yeah, clear to engage.
Yep, that was right on target.
Alpha, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. You're firing too close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes. Personnel right there. Light them up. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. Copy. This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
Yeah, I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.